Now, to finalize our model, we are going to place a skylight on the kitchen roof, and we will also put a curtain opening on this facade. Okay. To start with, let's go to the first floor, and on the first floor, or even on the kitchen level, we are going to select this roof, and we go to edit footprint. And what we are going to do is to select this one, move it a little bit, and from here we are going to put 1 meter, and that's actually great. So we are going to finish that one and say detach, and we select this one. We make a mirror. I'm going to mirror by selecting this plane. Yes, we have that one. So we have this roof and we have this one, and the remaining space here is the skylight. How we are going to do this one? We are going to select this one and make a copy of that particular roof. Let's move it from the center and place it there. And what we are going to do is to edit footprint, and we are going to select this one, stretch it until it reaches the desired position. That's it. And I think that is perfect. Now let me hit OK to finish that one. Let's go in a 3D to see what we have done. It is probably fine here. Okay, and what we are going to do, we are going to select this roof, that wall, control select, and select all the walls, and then I will attach top to the base using this roof. I will say detach. Okay, I will again attach using that roof, and I will say this one. Okay, and you can see there is a little bit of problem. What we are going to do is to select this roof in the 3D and go to edit footprint. What I'm going to do is to that one a little bit like that, and then hit OK, and you can see that we are now done. Okay, that particular type of roof. Now what are we going to do? Now that we have finished to do that one, we are now going to go to select this one and make it a sloped glazing, which is great now. Okay, and yeah, maybe before we do it, let's first of all add the fascia and the gutter. I go to the fascia, right click, and then create similar. I will go to the edge of this roof, to every roof here, and I am going to finish like this one. Okay, it looks perfect now. And here on this edge here, I need to add this particular gutter. I'm going to go to this gutter, this is the gutter. Right click, create similar, and I will go to this part and I will add the gutter from this face. Okay, and I will add another gutter from this face. I will add another gutter from that particular face. Okay, now I have my gutter. After that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this one and make it a sloped glazing. That is perfect. Now it looks nice. We will finalize it after. Let's go straight to this curtain opening here. I'll go back to the kitchen level, and then go to this particular wall. I can go to the first floor, and that particular wall, this is the one we need. We then go to architecture wall and go to the curtain wall. We choose from the curtain wall, and I will move from center to something like that. I can change it whenever I want it. I will embed after that. That was the warning about two overlapping walls, and I know what I will do after that. Then I will go to join, go to modify, and then go to cut, and I will cut this wall using the curtain wall. And that's actually it. Let's go to the 3D to see what you have done. You can see it, but it is a little bit long. I can let's go to the north elevation and see what we can do with this. We can stretch it like we want here, but I am going to edit this profile because I want to change it a little bit. What I'm going to do is to go to edit profile, and then I will use pick line with an offset of 0.2. And then I will go to this edge and click, and then click. Then I will add 0.5 because I wanted the width of 0.5. I will click and then click. Now what I'm going to do is to select this one and extend it. Now I'm going to select this one and I am going to extend it a little bit up. Great. And now I'm going to trim and extend. I'm going to remain with this one and that one, this one and that one, this one and that one, and then this one and this one. So the remaining parts are going to be deleted. I'm going to delete this one and the other one. Okay, this one is going to be deleted also. And now I click OK to finish. Now let's see what we have done in 3D. You can see that we have done our opening like this. Okay, now we are going to add the curtain grids here and on the window. Let's pick the curtain grids and place our first one here. Go a little bit closer to this one and place that particular one. Let's go and press the next one. So before I continue, I'm going to make a little bit of adjustments. Let me make it 0.5, something like that. And that's perfect. The next step is to copy. Let me copy this one from that point to somewhere here, and also from there, that point to here, from that point to here, and from that point to this one. And finally we are going to place another one exactly in this intersection. And let's finish it for now, and let's go back in the other view and make another grid. I'm going to make it again. Let's snap to a particular edge and make another grid here. Let's put another grid here, and what I'm going to do is to select again and make it 0.5 closer to this one. And what we are going to do is to make again some copies. Let's copy this one from maybe you can even use this one and use let's go to that line and use 0.5, and let's now copy using this reference. Let us select this grid and then go to copy. We shall now use these copies, okay, from that particular point to this particular point, and from that to this. Can be a little bit quicker, and that's actually it. So here it doesn't read align correctly. Let me use this particular. Now I'm going to add a vertical grid. I'm going to place one here and another one here. That's great. Now let's go straight to placing some grids on this particular view. Let's go to grids, and then maybe to do it faster, we are going to go to the north elevation, then go to grid, and then we place one here. Now what we are going to do is to place another one here, and I'm going to measure this distance here and see how much it is. That is 1.5. It means 0.75. Now I'm going to select this one, and I'm going to put 0.75. Now I am going to copy to select that, and I will use the mirror, and I will use this particular axis, and that's great. Now let's go to the 3D and see what we have done. The next step is to place the mullions. The mullions are located here. We select the mullion and go to place mullions on all the grids, and then I will set this one to something like square rectangular mullion and 30 millimeters like a square, and then I will go to add. I will cancel that, and I will yes, select this one, and now I will go also to this particular opening, and we are almost done here. Okay, perfect. Now we can see that we have correctly placed our skylight and also the curtain wall. All right, thank you very much for watching. See you next time.